Boys and girls, Aiden and I are going to teach you guys your foundational lesson for day 2. Okay, so today we're going to do the full lesson. Yesterday we just did 2 parts. Today we're going to do all 3 pages. So we're going to do thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. So the first 2, retell, remake. Say them.
Retell, remake.
Maple, staple.
Maple, staple.
Cement, attach.
Cement, attach.
Sister, blister.
Sister, blister.
Acorn, reports.
Acorn, report.
All right, so this time we are going to chop by syllables again. So I'm going to do it this time, okay? And then you guys are going to tell me the word. Payment.
Payment.
Decode.
Decode.
Magnetic.
Magneted. Magneted.
Magnetic.
Magneted.
Magnetic.
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 That's a hard one.
Dislike.
Dislike.
Passion.
Passion.
Unreal.
Unreal. Unreal.
Stable.
Stable.
All right, so now you guys are going to tell me the final sound of these 2. Perfect, repeat.
Perfect, repeat.
Yep, no thumbs up, just the
Okay.
ending sound. Lantern, modern.
Lantern, modern.
Release, practice.
Release, practice.
Parade, blizzard.
Parade, blizzard. Duh, duh, duh.
Disturb, absorb. Disturb.
Disturb.
Disturb, absorb.
Buh.
Attach, research.
Attach, research.
Do it. It's like a chop, not a sh. It's getting to us. All right, so now you are going to chop the words into syllables. Concert.
Concert.
No, you chop it.
Concert. Concert.
Syllable. Concert.
Concert. Concert.
Platform.
Platform. Platform. Platform.
Deserve.
Deserve. Deserve.
Method.
Method. Method. Method. Method. Method.
Forgiven.
Forgiven. Forgiven.
Creation.
Curation. Creation. 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 Creation.
Creation.
Creation. Creation.
Celebrate.
Celebrate. Celebrate. Celebrate.
All right, so this time we are going to do the words. So I'm going to give you a word and then I'm going to add a sound to the beginning, okay? Yeah, let me pause the video. Okay, so isle.
Whistle.
Add w to the beginning.
Whistle. Whistle.
Elite.
Elite.
Add d.
Delete.
Very good. Hurry.
Hurry.
Add
Hurry.
Ister.
Esther. Sister.
Edel.
Edel. Metal.
Allo.
Allo. Follow.
Abbot.
Abbot.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Very good. So now we're going to take away the beginning sound, okay? Penny.
Penny.
Take away p.
Many.
Any.
Any.
Silly.
Silly. Illy.
Walking.
Walking.
Wa.
Awking.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Ol.
Izzard.
Resting.
Resting. SD.
Colder.
Quarter. Order.
Money.
Money.
Mm.
Onion.
Now we're going to change the middle sound. News.
News.
Change it to oi.
Noise.
Very good. Spin.
Spin.
Change the I to an oon.
Spoon.
Heat.
Heat.
Change E to R.
Heart. To heart.
Very good. Woke.
Woke.
Change the O to an aw.
Walk.
Very good. Owl.
Owl.
Change the ow to an oi.
Oil.
Farm.
Farm.
Change the R to an
Firm.
Turn.
Turn.
To or.
Form. Torn.
Pool.
Pool.
Change the to an oo. Hey, I think I messed that one up. Pool. Change the to an ool.
Pool. Pool.
Yeah. Tree.
Tree.
Change the E to an I.
Try.
Foot.
Foot.
Change the to an E.
Feet.
Very good. All right, boys and girls, that was it for day 2. Have a good day
Bye.
and thank you for watching.
Bye.